So let's talk now about some terminology. Okay, wait, why is it not letting me? Terminology of the derivative. Okay, so the derivative is this thing that gives you the slope of the tangent line. And so far, the one way we have of writing it is f prime x. This is the function, this is the derivative, it gives you the slope of the tangent line at x. There are several different ways to write it. And let's talk about where these come from. So f prime x gives you the slope of the tangent line at x for the function f of x. So let's talk about the fact that it's the slope of a tangent line. What's the formula for slope? So, thank you, yes. Change in y over change in x. Oops, I wrote change in y over change in y. Okay, so because that's the formula for the slope of, and technically this would be for the slope of a secant line, right? Because it's a line. The slope of the secant line is connected to the slope of the tangent line. Remember how we took the slope of the limit of the slope of the secant line to get the slope of the tangent line? So there's another way to write that you're taking the derivative, and it's supposed to look like the formula for slope. It's dy over dx, or df over dx. Does everyone see how it sort of looks like the delta y over delta x, but instead of delta y over delta x, it's dy over dx? Okay, df over dx means the derivative of f, because that's the slope of the tangent line. It mimics what the slope, the formula for the formula for slope looks like. There we go. That's what I want to say. So these mean the same thing. Also, sometimes you might just see y prime. And another way to write it is like this: d dx of f of x. All of these mean the same thing. F prime means take the derivative of f. Now, because your y value is usually given by a function f of x, we use y and f interchangeably. So hopefully you can sort of see, do you see how y and f here, they occupy the same spot, right? Because your y value is usually given by your function. So likewise, because it's f prime right here, y prime also means take the derivative of the function. So you just have to be aware that all these mean the same thing, basically. Okay.